All right, going to just show some of the modifications that I've done to this Harbor Freight 20-ton hydraulic press. I'll start down here at the bottom. I just replaced the stands with a piece of 1/4-inch stick angle, and it just made it a lot more sturdy down there. And added a set of casters. So the original had some handles that came in here and were welded on the ends there. I cut those off and just milled them flat, and had a piece of angle iron on each side. And I replaced those with the pieces of 3/4-inch round. I just cut them all the same size and drilled and tapped them. And you can see the setup there. I could have got away with 2 just fine, but I got 3 in there on each side. Now, right out of the box, I had to put a couple of washers for spacers in there because of the lack of fit. So the original had a piece of a channel that went all the way across and had guides that guided the jack up and down. I did away with that, put another piece of channel in there, and you can see how I got it rigged up. I got a piece of a 1.25-inch round, cold rolled, welded in there for the ram, and use the original springs. So you can see how I got the rod guides set up in there. Used to use a piece of 1.25-inch round for those, and the guides themselves are 3/4 inch. And I just got those drilled and threaded on each end and connected like that. And I switched out the stock jack with the 20-ton air over hydraulic jack, and I got a foot control down here. And last but not least, I got the 8-ball handle. I got that off Amazon. Just took a piece of steel, threaded, or turned it in lathe and threaded it, and fitted into the original handle with epoxy. So I hope this generates some ideas for someone else who might be wanting to modify their Harbor Freight press. And that's the video. And thanks for watching.